Let's learn to read 7 words in a day. Welcome to day 4. Here are the 7 words to learn. Read with me. Jet, net, wet, red, bed, hen, pen. Now, to learn to read those words, we need to begin with the letter sounds. E, e, say it again. E. E is for elephant. E, eggplant. E, elf. Remember, children, the sound E. T, t. Say it again. T, t, thumb. T, toys. T, tap. T, n, n. Say it again, children. N, n is for nail. N, knot. N, net. Remember the sound? N. J, j. Say it again. J, j is for jar. J, jump. J, jog. Remember the sound? J. W, w. Say it again, children. W, w is for whale. W, walrus. W, wall. Remember the sound? W. R, r. Say it again, children. R, r is for rabbit. R, radio. R, rat. R, b, b. Say it again, children. B, b, bird. B, bat. B, bear. B. Huh, huh. Say it again, children. Hmm. Is for helmet. Huh, horse. Huh, hand. Huh, p, p. Say it again, children. P, p is for pole. P, paint. P. Now let's read all the letter sounds. E, e, j, j, n, n, w, w, r, r, b, b, p, p. Let's read the sound of each letter, then put them together to make a word. J, j, e, t, j, e, t, j, et, jet, jet. N, e, t, n, e, t, n, et, net, net. W, e, t, w, e, t, w, et, wet, wet. R, ed, r, ed, r, ed, red, red. B, ed, b, ed, b, ed, bed, bed. Huh. E, n, e, n, and hen, hen. P, e, n, p, e, n, p, n, pen, pen. Now let's read the 7 words that we have learned. Jet, jet, net, net, wet, wet, red, red, bed, bed, hen, hen, pen, pen. Let's read again, children. Jet, net, wet, red, bed, hen, pen. Now it's your turn to read. Good job, children. See you on day 5.